Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Namaskaram. Jai Bhavani. Under the holy grace of Lord Parvati Parameshwar, some of the benefits of regular chanting of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam are: this is the most favored form of prayer to Goddess Lalitambika, and it is also very secret and powerful than any other forms of Tantra or Mantra. Regular chanting of Sri Lalita Sahasranama is as beneficial as visiting religious places, taking bath in a holy river, offering food, offering materials. It is an indirect blessing to those who cannot do all these kinds of offerings to God. Regular chanting of Sri Lalita Sahasranama will ward off the evil from uncompleted puja vidhis or rituals, etc. It will also form a way of penance. Regular chanting of Sri Lalita Sahasranama will ward off premature death, will provide a long and contented healthy life. Fever can be cured by religiously chanting Sri Lalita Sahasranama by touching on a person's forehead. The number of times you chant, the most benefit you are likely to get. The vibhuti used for Sri Lalita Sahasranama Archana can be applied then on the forehead, which will give much relief to fever and headache. It is said that if one chants religiously Sri Lalita Sahasranamam, keeping a glass of water or in a vessel in front and then pours it over the head, all sorts of trouble related to one's planetary positions and from evil spirits will be warded off. It is said that if a person chants Sri Lalita Sahasranama, keeping in mind a picture of Sri Lalita Devi situated in the divine ocean which contains Amrit, he will be cured from any kind of disease related to poison. It is said that if a person consumes ghee which is kept while chanting Sri Lalita Sahasranamam, he will be cured of impotency and will have children. Regular chanting of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam will ward off any kind of evil deeds or rituals, that is black magic, aimed at the person who chants the Namam. The power derived from the chanting supersedes all other forms of prayers. Through the regular chanting of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam, the atmosphere will be purified. Each nerve in our body will be invigorated and subtle energy will be awakened in the person. Sri Lalita Devi will protect a person who regularly chants Sri Lalita Sahasranamam from accidents and from the attacks of enemy and will make him victorious in all his good deeds. Regular chanting of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam will make a person blessed with word power, fame, goodwill, etc. Particular importance should be given to chant Sri Lalita Sahasranamam on Fridays, which is very auspicious for the blessings of Devi. Sri Lalita Sahasranamam is the form of prayer that anyone and everyone can chant at any time and every time. It does not matter if one could not complete it, because each of the Namam in itself is powerful and will provide all sorts of benefits. It depends on what you wish and how you go about it. It is said that chanting the name of Lord Shiva once is as good as chanting the Nama of Mahavishnu 1,000 times. And chanting the name of Devi once is as good as chanting the name of Shiva 1,000 times, and of which Sri Lalita Sahasranamam is the most important one to Sri Lalita Devi herself. It is very beneficial if all members of the family unite and chant Sri Lalita Sahasranamam once in a day, in the evening, or whenever time permits. A family that prays together stays together. It will bring about unity, peacefulness, clear mind to perform, and by thus prosperity. In homes where Sri Lalita Sahasranamam is chanted regularly, there will never be any shortage of the basic necessities of life. This is the reason why the ancient gurus would instruct their disciples to chant Sri Lalita Sahasranamam even after initiating them into the mantras of other deities such as Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, and other gods and goddesses. It is also to be noted that by religiously chanting Sri Lalita Sahasranamavali, we are seeking the blessings of Sri Lalitambika, who is also called Kalima, Durga Devi, Parashakti, Bhagavati, etc., who in turn is the universal mother. And how can a mother ignore her child when they are in distress or trouble of any sorts? So keep utmost faith in her and start chanting. Each one of the Nama has itself is a powerful weapon for many sorts of day-to-day problems. Thank you.